restoration of heritage glory of 169 years old Byculla railway station to its original form of year 1891. Byculla was one of the original stations when the Bombay-Thane Railway was inaugurated in April 1853. It had been built as a wooden structure the year before, but took on its current form in 1857. The first locomotive was brought to Mumbai through the streets of Byculla, and around 200 labourers pulled it. Byculla is one of the oldest railway stations in India. In 1853, when the first train rolled out from Mumbai's Bodhibandar to Thane, it served as the commencing point. The construction of the present building of the station started in 1887 and was completed in 1891 in present form, still in existence. The restoration of Byculla station cost Rs 3.5 crore. The project will include restoration of its front facade, the ticketing window, paint from the stone facade, along with damaged doors and windows and missing details in the architectural elements. In the humdrum of a daily routine, few may have had time to appreciate the heritage status of the 169-year-old Byculla railway station, a pre-independence relic. The station, which predates even the iconic Victoria terminus or the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus built in 1888, is one of the oldest in the city and is all set to wear a new look. The Mumbai Heritage Conservation Committee (MHCC) gave its nod to the restoration proposal of the station in March 2018. The project, carried out in collaboration with I Love Mumbai NGO in consulting with renowned architecture of Mumbai, Ms. Abha Narayan Lamba, supported by Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation, Mumbai, for the heritage restoration and beautification work of Byculla station. A memorandum of understanding (MOU) was signed between Mumbai Division, Central Railway and the NGO I Love Mumbai in order to restore structures of Byculla railway station. The restoration work of Byculla railway station were taken up on July 20, 2019. The work undertaken in accordance with the guidelines issued by the Heritage Conservation Committee. The entire project, estimated to cost Rs 3.5 crore, is funded by the Bajaj Group Charitable Trust as part of the company's corporate social responsibility (CSR) initiative and spearheaded by the Mumbai-based NGO I Love Mumbai. The restoration work, carried out by Lamba's associate firm, completed, and Mumbaikars will soon be able to see the crowning glory as part of the move. Dumping yards near Byculla station will be converted into gardens. The beautification and heritage restoration work of one of the oldest railway stations in the country is completed in a holistic manner. It has one of the most imposing facades in South Mumbai and is among the landmark stations in the area. The Byculla station building, built in the Gothic style of architecture and a protected Grade 2A heritage structure under the Heritage Regulations for Greater Bombay 1995. The restoration and upgradation works of the station were taken up by Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation, Mumbai, as a part of their social responsibility initiative. The works taken up under this project were of upgradation and facade restoration of the historic building as accessed from the west entrance of the station. The building over time underwent various alterations and additions along the facade, such as the restoration and upgradation work of archways and windows, the addition of toilet blocks, the restoration and upgradation working of verandas, etc. The exercise of facade restoration included cleaning of the basalt stone facade, restoration of original fenestration such as doors, windows, grills and gates, restoration of the timber truss roof, mango tiles and smaller lean-to roofs along the facade was done. The addition of ramps, steps, etc. was also done by the railway in order to make the station accessible to all.